The chuck eye log sits in this position here on top of the chuck muscles. To remove the chuck eye log, we simply lift that portion of the chuck meat and free it away from the underlying chuck. Done. The chuck eye log is totally underrated. At this end, you have the cutting face between the chuck and the ribeye. You can see the eye of the ribeye and the cap. This is a high-end meat product at a budget price from good quality Australian branded beef. Count back now to the first rib and make your cut for a premium shabu shabu product. Rolling the meat tightly for freezing will result in a more premium and professional looking product.